I hope you are finding these videos useful in your learnings. So let us take today 2016 MA Political Science entrance paper and solve the question one by one. So the first question is, Marshall Plan was formerly known as European Recovery Program. Option C is the correct answer. As you know, it was US program for providing aid to the Western European countries following the devastation after the World War II. So the C is the correct option. Now moving towards question number 2, name the feminist scholar who described Morgenthau's six objective principles of international politics according to the feminist perspective. And the correct answer is option C, J.N. Tickner. Question number 3, match the following parties with the corresponding countries and choose the correct answer from the codes. So the correct answer here will be option A. Moving towards question number 4, who was of the opinion that the end of Cold War represented the victory of ideal state and liberal capitalism? And the answer is option C, Francis Fukuyama. Question number 5, according to Kihon and Nye, the internationalization of the world economy had led the major industrialized nation to a pattern of option A, complex interdependence. Question number C, which of the following South Asian countries has the best human development index? So the correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has the best human development index in South Asian countries. Question number 7, the meaning of non-state actor in international relation is option C, groups that are part of the civil society such as international NGOs. Question number 8, the Arab Spring is a movement for democratization of authoritarian regimes. Option B is correct answer. As you know, it was started from Tunisia in 2010. Question number 9, in 1972 India signed a treaty of peace, friendship and cooperation with which country? Correct option is D, Bangladesh. As you also know, India has already signed the Treaty of Peace, Friendship and Cooperation with USSR, that is Russia, but it was in 1971. So please do not confuse here. Question number 10, which statements are true about G8 countries? Choose the correct answer from the codes. You know, G8 countries, they already are, it was earlier G7 plus European Union countries, but after the Crimea issue in 2014, Russia was removed from the group. So the correct answer here is D, that is B and C. Which are true? It is a group of developing countries. No, it is wrong. It comprises 7 nations and European Union. Yes, definitely. Russia suspended. Yes. So B is the C, and B and C is the correct option. India is also not member of the group. Question number 11, which one of the following countries is not a member of BIMSTEC? That is Spain. In BIMSTEC there are 7 members: Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal and Bhutan. So moving towards 12, Lookist policy was enacted by Narasimha Rao. Question number 13, match list scholars and the concepts. So here the answer will be option A, all 4 are correct. Question number 14, which among the following is not true about SAARC? Myanmar is a member of SAARC? No, Myanmar is not the member of SAARC. Maldives is a member of SAARC. SAARC was founded in 1985. Yes, it is true. All decisions in SAARC are taken by majority vote? No, all decisions are taken on the basis of unanimity. Afghanistan is a member of SAARC? Yes, it is true. So the correct option here is option C. Question number 15, match list scholars and the books, and the correct option here will be option A. Moving toward question 16, it is not visible friends, so let's just skip it. Question number 17, treatise principle, and the year you have to just match it. So the correct option here will be 17A, that is you can say it. Question number 18, which of the following is incorrectly matched? Pax Indica, Sasi Tharoor. It was written by Sasi Tharoor. The Making of India's Foreign Policy, J. Bandyopadhyay, India as an Emerging Power. So all are correct. So the correct option here will be D. Let's move. There are three fundamental bonds that would conjoin the Hindu as a common entity. Savarkar, according to him, eliminate the fourth from the following. The fourth should be eliminated. That is, so here will be language. He did not talk about that. Let's move. Question number 20. Abul Fazl in Aine Akbari creates a theory of sovereignty based on. So the option is social contract. Question number 21. Which one of the following is not correct about Gia Burney? And the correct option here will be D. Burney did not discuss about army. The question is asking which is not correct. So option D is not correct. Means Burney talked about or discussed about the army. So moving towards question number 22. You have to match the authors and the books, and the correct option here will be B. You can already see it. Now question number 23. M.N. Roy can be associated with radical humanism, definitely. Question number 24. Saptang theory of Kautilya does not discuss about. So Saptang theory, that is 7 essential organs of the state given by the Kautilya, and 7 elements are Swami, Amatya, Janpad, Durga, Kosh, Dand, Mitra. So the correct option here will be D, that he did not talk about dharma. Question number 25. Who wrote Ashtadhyayi? And the correct option here will be Panini, option B. Moving towards question number 26. Who among the following advocated partyless democracy in India? And correct option is A. Ram Manohar Lohia. Question number 27. The idea of Swadeshi can be attributed to the Mahatma Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 20. Question number 28. Kautilya's idea of sovereignty as a mandal is imagined as independent circle. 29. Which American philosopher taught Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at Columbia and remained his lifelong friend? So the answer is B. John Dewey. Question number 30. From the sales of which book did Ramabai travel to Great Britain in order to study medicine? And the correct option is B. Stri Dharma Niti. 31. When and where did Rabindranath Tagore deliver his lecture on nationalism? And the correct option here is C. Japan, 1916 to 17. 32. Charles Lindblom and David Braybrook are associated with decision making processes. Correct option is C. The idea of prismatic society is associated with F.W. Riggs. Option A is the correct answer. 34. Who wrote Protestant Ethics and the Spirit of the Capitalism? So you have to name the author, and the correct option is A. Max Weber. Question number 35. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar borrowed the idea of constitutional morality from George Grote. Option C. 36. Which of the following is not a method of estimating national income? Option B. Export import method is not such a method. Only 3 methods are there: product method, income method, and expenditure method. Question number 37. In post-COB, CO stands for coordination. So option B is the correct answer. 38. In explaining administrative decision making, Simon's decision theory describes mainly focus on which of the following? So the correct option is A. There are some questions which are not visible, so let's move. 39. Good governance was stressed in the World Bank report of 1992. Option A. Who wrote Towards a New Public Administration, the Minnebrook Perspective? Frank Marini. 40A. Moving towards 41. According to Fell, managerial principles are fixed and rigid, both above the correct, fixed and flexible, none of the above. So it is fixed and flexible. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 42. Which of the following is not true about participative democracy? So here you can see the options are not actually visible, so let's just skip it. 43. Which one of the following is not associated with Frederick Taylor? And the correct option is D, Gangplank. Which among the following makes a distinction between hygiene factor and motivation factor? So correct option is 44A. Moving towards 45. Who talked about industrial democracy? Correct option is A, MP Follett. Who wrote The Human Side of the Enterprise? And the correct option is Douglas MC Gregor. Option A. 47. Which one of the following term is not introduced by Elton Mayo? And the correct option is D, rate booster. 48. Arrange the following in rational decision making in proper order. So the proper order is option A, A, C, E, B, D. Question number 49. The leaders of new public administration do not emphasize on option B, well of administration. 50. Who originally coined the term property as theft? So the answer is D, Pradhan. 51. Which combination can be associated with historical materialism and dialectic materialism? And the correct option is A, Hegel and Marx. 52. Which is the appropriate combination for Locke's theory of natural rights, life, liberty, and property? 52 का option B is the correct answer. 53. Who of the following would you associate with the end of the ideology thesis given by Francis Fukuyama? Option A. A has power over B to the extent that A can go to the something which B not otherwise do. This is the power theory given by Michael Foucault. Option A is the correct option. 55. Who among the following political theorists was one of the first to offer a conception of distributive justice? And the here option will be correct option will be option C, Locke. Who among the following offers a critique of classical conception of democracy? And the option is A, Joseph Sumter. 57. Who wrote The Origin of Family, Private Property and the State? The correct option here is Engels. Option C. 58. Which among the following concept is attributed to the young Marx? Alienation. Option A is the correct answer. 59. Which thinker gave the triadic concept of liberty? So option A is the correct answer. That is Gerard McCallum. 60. Which of the following best describes John Rawls' theory of the justice? And the correct option is option C. Justice is a distributive principle. 61. Who presented the concept of iron law of oligarchy? And the correct option here is 61, option D, Robert Michaels. Taylor, Woljo, McIntyre, Sandel. What kind of philosophical position do these four philosophers represent? So the correct option is C, communitarianism. 63. The idea of social contract has been recently revived under a new form. And the answer will be B, option B, that is John Rawls. Question number 64. Who said natural rights are the simple nonsense? Correct option here will be Bentham. Bentham said this. Identify the odd one out from the social contract theory. So J.S. Mill is odd one out because all three talked about social contract theory and all. 66. Which of the following statement cannot be attributed to a Plato? So the option C. Plato endorsed the no. He did not talked about private. He did not talk about private property. So this is wrong. 67. The power of Supreme Court of India to adjudicate on a dispute between central and state fall under its original jurisdiction. Option B. 68. The objective of Morley Minto reform was extension of provincial assembly. Option B. It was introduced in 1919, that is Indian Council Act. And you must also know that Minto is known as the father of communal electorate in India. Moving towards 69. The who wrote the intimate enemy? So the correct option here is Ashish Nandi, option C. 70. Who wrote Why I Am Not a Hindu? A Shudra critique of Hindutva philosophy, culture, and political economy. The correct option is Kancha Elia. Moving towards question number 71. A caste may be said to dominant. So the mainly dominant caste definition was given by M.N. Srinivas. Option B. 72. Which of the figures mentioned below is associated with the concept of graded inequality? So the correct option is D. Jyotiba Phule. 73. Which of the following politicians and party leaders did not have a parents involved in electoral politics? You know, Mayawati. 74. Which of the following understanding of identity is not constructivist in perspective? You know, here also the correct question we cannot see, so let's just keep it. Some questions are not also visible. 75. The electoral college of election of vice president of India consists of member of both the houses of the parliament. Please notice that here all elected and nominated members can participate in the election of the vice president, but in case of president only elected members participates. Nominated members do not participate in the election of president of India. So let's just move. 76. In India, all residuary powers of legislation, that is, which are not in the state or concurrent list, lie with the Prime Minister and his Council of Ministers. So the correct option is D. 77. Who among the following was a law of which among the following was a law of detention? So this all option D is the correct answer. 78. In which year did Communist Party of India split into CPI and CPIM? Option C. 1964. 79. Regionalization of party system in India is manifested in which of the following? Option A. Declining significance of the Congress. Moving towards 80. The constitutional 52nd amendment. I hope you already know it. Option A. Disqualification on the basis of defection. 81. Sixth schedule to the Constitution of India covers, that is correct option is B. Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Assam is already there, so there are 4 countries. Assam is also there. Moving towards 82. Who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. Moving towards 83. Who wrote the idea of India? And the correct option here is Sunil Khilnani. 83 ka C. 84. What concept of federalism does 7th schedule of Indian Constitution represent? It is divisions of power, that is power is divided between the center and the states. Separation of power means, friends, the power separated between legislature, executive, and judiciary. So correct option is C. 85. The president can make a proclamation of financial emergency under Article 360 for the whole of India. Yes, for the whole of India, except, yeah, you know, the correct option here will be C, because earlier Jammu and Kashmir, here financial emergency cannot be applicable. So it was not now. It is now revoked because of the changing decision taken by the government that Jammu Kashmir is now a just union territory. So the C will be the right answer here. Moving towards 86, who gave the concept of Congress system? Rajni Kothari, option B. 87, that basic structure doctrine was first given in Keshwanand Bharti case 1973. Casey Weir described India as a quasi-federal. Option A is the correct answer. 89, who talked about the second democratic upsurge? So Yogendra Yadav. And 90, who among the following is associated with the concept of development of underdevelopment? And the correct answer here is A. Andre Gunder Frank. Moving towards 91, which of the following is incorrect statement with regard to the British monarch? Monarch is head of the state. Yes. Monarch is commander in chief of the armed forces. Yes. Monarch is head of Church of England. Yes. So the correct option here is D. Monarch can dissolve the parliament? No. Monarch cannot dissolve the parliament. The question is asking which of the incorrect, which one of the following is incorrect. So correct option D. 92, which of the following is the correct chronological order of the offices held by the Chinese communist leader? And the correct answer here will be option A. Moving towards 93, who advocated cleavage model of the party system? Correct option is C. Lipset and Rocken. Moving towards 94, dependency school emerged as a reaction to the modernization perspective. Option C. 95, the more well-to-do a nation, the greater the chance that it will sustain democracy. Seymour Lipset. Which of the following countries could be cited in support of this proposition? So the correct option here will be C. UK. That is, mainly he talked about the Western European countries, Western countries. So that's UK is the correct option. What term describes a sets of attitude and practices that shapes people's political behavior? Political culture. Option D. In Communist Manifesto, it is stated that executive of the state is the committee. So executive. This is, you have to fill in the blanks. Moving towards 98, which of the following countries formed part of the first wave of democratization? The first wave of democratization, there are three waves of democratization. First 1828 to 1926, second 1946 to 1992, and third wave of democratization since 1974. So correct option is C. Moving towards 1999. Okay, where does the Parliament of UK meet? So correct option is option C, Westminster. And the final question, the last question, which one of the following could be the associated with hyperfactualism? And the correct option here will be D, David Easton. So this is it. I hope you would have liked this video. Thank you very much.